Hey everybody, John here with Luxe. Today we're going to remove one of our tint kits, and I'm going to show you how to remove it, leaving as little as adhesive as possible and then cleaning it. First off, it's in the mid 60s, high 60s here, which is a little bit brisk, so we're going to need a little heat. We do have the car sitting in the sun though, so it's a little warm to the touch. I'm going to use a little bit of heat from my torch. This is actually something you can do with a hair dryer because you're just trying to keep it warm and pliable. I'm going to reach right under the decal. You can use an old plastic razor blade, a toothpick, anything you can get, fingernail to get right under the decal. And we're gonna start pulling it up. So sun's actually really nice and bright right now. Make sure we're warm enough. And now that we are, what we're gonna wanna do is actually stretch the tint off. If you see what I'm doing here, I'm pulling at an angle with the tint. I'm not coming over the tint and pulling like that. As soon as you start doing that, you start seeing adhesive is left on the car. So you can keep doing this with a hair dryer, like I said, a heat gun, whatever it takes. Just keep it warm and keep it stretching off the car at this sharp angle. By doing this, we should have almost no adhesive left on the vehicle. Now, if we fold it back over itself and pull it, we actually didn't get any adhesive left there either. So we're good to go. There's nothing left. This tint kit's been on for what, a month, 2 months now? So this is about a 2-month-old kit. If it's a little older, it may be a little bit more difficult to remove, but still that's going to be the exact technique that you want to use.